The Kreb cycle is the second step of cellular respiration. The Kreb cycle needs oxygen in order to proceed, and it takes place in the inner matrix of the mitochondria, which are found inside cells. If oxygen is present, pyruvate that is formed in the first step of cellular respiration is taken into the inner membrane, and the Kreb cycle begins. During the preparatory stage of the Kreb cycle, pyruvate molecules left over from glycolysis give off a carbon atom in the form of CO2. Next, the Kreb cycle proceeds. The newly formed 2-carbon molecule combines with a molecule called coenzyme A. This produces a new product that is important to the Kreb cycle called acetyl-CoA. The reactions required for producing acetyl-CoA store an electron in a molecule called NADH that is used later during cellular respiration. The Kreb cycle begins when a 4-carbon molecule is combined with acetyl-CoA, forming a 6-carbon molecule called citric acid. Next, during a chain of reactions, 2 carbons are given off from citric acid in the form of CO2. 1 ATP molecule is produced. And since high-energy electrons are produced during this chain of reactions, 3 NADH molecules are produced. When NAD+ takes on an electron, it becomes NADH. So, 3 NADH molecules are produced. When 2 electrons are stored in a molecule called FAD during the Kreb cycle, it becomes FADH2. This chain of reactions produces 1 FADH2 molecule. We care about these stored electrons because they're used during the electron transport chain portion of cellular respiration, which occurs directly after the Kreb cycle. The Kreb cycle produces a lot of important molecules. When we started the Kreb cycle, we followed the story of one of the pyruvate molecules that was produced during glycolysis, but glycolysis actually produces 2 pyruvate molecules, so we'll have to double the amount of products produced by the Kreb cycle in order to have an accurate estimate of how much energy cellular respiration can produce from just 1 glucose molecule. The grand total for the Kreb cycle comes to 2 ATP, 6 NADH molecules, and 2 FADH2 molecules. The electron storing that has taken place during glycolysis and the Kreb cycle are used in the third and final stage of cellular respiration, the electron transport chain.